most welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and if you're old, you are super duper welcome. So check below, you see the subscribe button, click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Alright guys, please share this video for your friends also to see. I'm going to be sharing with you a face mask for instant brightening, guys. So you know, most times some people, you see their face is usually darker than their body. I don't know, maybe it's as a result of sun and all of that. So yeah, today I'm going to show you a face pack that's going to give you that instant brightening so that your face can blend with your body. Or if your body is darker than your face, you can just use this, like a good quantity of it, to like do a body scrub. Alright guys, so without wasting much time, let's jump right into the video. So guys, the first thing I'm going to be needing for this video is tomato. Tomatoes are loaded with antioxidants. They are known to lighten dark spots and helps the skin remain youthful as well as brighter. Tomatoes also work as a natural astringent that helps tighten the skin as well as shrink large skin pores, leaving the skin tight and glowingly bright. Sandalwood powder is very perfect for this recipe because it helps in removing tan. It's also very imperative to save yourself from the harmful rays of the sun. It has anti-inflammatory properties, acts as an astringent, used as an antiseptic for removing acne and blackheads, for skin softening, lightening, removal of suntan, removal of dark spots. So guys, adding it to this recipe will help brighten up your face, remove dark spots, you know, and also so guys, I'm also going to be needing turmeric. Antioxidant in turmeric protect the skin from free radicals damage. Turmeric can help restore your natural glow and treat uneven skin tone. This golden spice is very effective against acne and redness of the skin, and above all, it has a lightening effect that will help boost your skin tone. I just added honey. Honey is a great addition to this mixture because honey has exfoliating properties. Using it on your face can eliminate dead skin cells that make your skin look dull. This can reveal a brighter and clearer skin. Guys, I'm going to be needing cotton wool. Alright guys, so you're gonna allow this stay on your face for some time before rinsing off. Alright guys, so I have finished rinsing off my face. So you can see like instant brightness, just like I told you. Just compare my face to my neck right now. Usually my neck